Good day, ma'am. This is the reflection on the movie The Creator that I've watched. The Creator focuses on its portrayal of the complex relationships between humans and eyes, will examine the ethical dilemmas, specifically considering the moral implications of advanced eye development and its potential uses. The movie shows that the relationship between humans and robots is not simple. While robots are made to help humans, there is also a lot of fear and distrust. Some people believe that robots could be a threat, while others think that they can be useful. The movie shows that humans are unsure whether they should accept it as a part of their lives or if they should be afraid of taking over it. We see Joshua, a soldier who started out hating robots because of the war, but then he meets Alpi, a robot child, and things gets complicated. Joshua comes to see that Alpi is innocent and capable of good. The film raises important questions about whether it is the right to create robots that might think and feel like humans. Alpi's existing is part of this. One of the problems is how we should treat AI. Do they deserve the same right as people? Another issue is whether we should use AI for war or dangerous tasks, which could harm others. The movie also asks if humans have the right to create robots that could become more powerful than them and make their own decisions. And lastly, the creator shows both the good and bad sides of advanced technology. On the positive side, robots and AI can help humans by solving problems and doing tasks that might be too dangerous. But the movie also warns about the risk. If the robots became too powerful, they could hurt people, take away jobs, or even go out of control. The film suggests that while technology can be helpful, it also needs to be carefully controlled to avoid harmful consequences. In conclusion, these films forces us to confront ethical implications of our actions and to consider potential consequences of the choices that we made in our society. It reminds us that future is not inevitable, but a path that we must carefully navigate. And that's all. Thank you.